A business model canvas is a strategic tool used to map out how a company creates, delivers, and captures value in one view. It is essentially a single-page blueprint that helps entrepreneurs see the big picture of their business logic. The framework breaks down complex operations into 9 foundational building blocks, making it easier to identify strengths and potential gaps. These 4 pillars form the core of the model, connecting your target audience to the financial reality of your business. Unlike a traditional 50-page business plan, the canvas is designed for speed, iteration, and visual clarity while testing new ideas. Startups often focus heavily on the canvas during early development to validate their assumptions before committing large amounts of capital. Remember that no business model is perfect on the first try. Use the canvas to iterate based on real feedback. Thanks for watching. Use this framework to organize your thoughts and clarify your business goals. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.